Welcome to SkyDRM feature training. Today I will show you the In Place Protection feature. The In Place Protection feature allows SkyDRM users to choose a normal file from anywhere and store a protected file in the same location as the original file. It also has the option to allow users to store the NXL file anywhere. It allows SkyDRM users to protect a normal file with a user-defined policy and a company-defined policy. Let's see a demo for this feature. I log into the Windows desktop application as user Ted. I go to the Workspace and go to the Demo folder and click the Protect File button. Then I choose a file from the local drive. Here I choose a PRT file to protect. I choose the user-defined policy and give the reshare, save as, and watermark permissions. Now the file is protected as an NXL file in the Workspace. Next, I will protect a file into a demo project. I click the Protected File button. Then I choose a file to protect. Here, I choose an RFA file. I then choose the company-defined policy and the classification as confidential. The file is now protected and in the demo project. I can also protect files directly from the File Explorer. Here, I am in the File Explorer. I choose this PRT file and right-click. I choose the SkyDRM menu and hit Protect. I choose the confidential classification and create the protected file. The file is now protected directly in the same folder. I can right-click the file to view the file info, and I can see that I have the view and edit permissions for this file. I can also open up this file and view it. Thank you for watching this video on SkyDRM features. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact us at the following email. Have a nice day!